The LHD extension identifies an LHA compressed archive file containing data compressed using the LHA LZH compression algorithm. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract or convert these compressed archive files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted LHD files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. LHD files are compressed archives using the LHA algorithm originally developed by Haruyasu Yoshizaki. LHA compression was extremely popular in Japan and on the Amiga platform, providing efficient file compression with moderate CPU requirements for 1990s era systems. LHA LHD files use the LZSS and Huffman coding compression algorithms with a header containing file entries with names, sizes, timestamps, and compression method identifiers. They support directory structures and multiple compression levels from stored to maximum compression. The essential opener for the LHD structure is 7-zip developed by Igor Pavlov. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows previews only limited details inside the archive, so full extraction depends on third-party utilities. Let's make this simple. Right-click the LHD file and hit Open With. If 7-zip is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, choose another program. It's a matter of finding the right decoder. If the LHD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here's a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the LHD file is refusing to open. First, extracting files. Install 7-zip, which supports LHA archive extraction. Right-click the LHD file and select 7-zip, then extract here to decompress all contents. WinRAR also provides LHA extraction support on Windows for reliable decompression of LHA format archives. Next, using command line tools. On Linux, install the LHA package and run lhax filename.lhd to extract archive contents. On Mac OS, use the unarchiver for graphical extraction. The LHA command line tool provides full support for all LHA compression methods and archive features. Finally, converting to zip. Extract LHD contents to a temporary directory, then recompress as zip using 7-zip or Windows built-in compression for universal compatibility. This eliminates the need for specialized LHA decompression tools when sharing archived files with others. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the universal viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.